All right, guys, so here is the Tyre Glider. Just came today. Neat little tire removal tool, I hope, from the UK. I just aired down this, this is an old Mavic Cerium, one of the narrow ones, 15 mil internal. It's got a 26C Gravel King mounted on it. I just aired it down, so let's give it a whack and see how the Tyre Glider works. I don't think it matters where you put it in here. Get it under the bead. Okay, so that got it off. You can see there, no problems. Tube is in here. Now to put it on, flip it around. Just click it on like that. There you go. Put it in behind and all right, and that's that. So all seated. Seems to work well enough. That's the Tyre Glider tire removal tool. Pretty neat.